Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Thursday, March 8th, 2018. If you just happened to go over to my website earlier today and look at the chart of the bond market, well, you're probably on your way to the emergency room. Your eyeballs have already exploded. We're talking off the Richter scale bond buying that is occurring as we speak. Go have a look at it, and hopefully you're watching this right on my website. Just look to the right. But be careful. Maybe put some sunglasses on or something. It's out of control. I don't know what this is going to be like throughout the rest of the day, but right now it's literally off the Richter scale. Stocks are higher right now, not by much, but again, they are trying desperately to prop up that bond market. And that is propping up stocks along with it. The dollar is stronger as well, putting pressure on metals. Are you surprised about that? It's just utterly, totally insane. I did take up a couple of new positions here this morning. I posted this again all over my social networks. At the time I entered these positions, Johnson & Johnson is already up pretty big. Got lucky on that one. SPY is lower for me. Now, as always, you know how I play these. You do what you like, but I always take up an initial a half position. If the position moves in the direction I want it to go, I will add to it. If it goes against me within a relatively short period of time, I close it with a minimal loss. This is how you, again, keep those losses to a minimum and magnify those gains. I go over this at length in an absolutely free brief, which you can download from my website, traderschoice.net. Look for the picture of Gordon Gekko in the upper left-hand corner. Take it to my publications page. It's free. It's really free. So if you don't have a copy, there's something wrong with you, even if you just like to read. All right, so look, we need to watch the action today because we're going to hear from the president about tariff talk, and I think that's a big reason why they're propping up the bond market. Now they're getting ready for whatever comes here, whatever comes out of his mouth. So they're setting the groundwork here to prop it up. Stocks can go either way, I think, in this situation. Again, that's why I took up these half positions here. You just don't know what's going to happen. So we'll be cautious, and then once it's, who knows? This market could vault higher on whatever comes out of his mouth, or it could rip lower. But we'll talk about it all at the end of the day. But really, have a look at that bond market chart. Be ready to call 911 to send you to the emergency room. It's off the scale. It's just so rigged. It is so freaking fake. I don't know whether to laugh or cry. All right, with that said, I will see all of you at the end of the day. Over and out.